This really works. And there are folks who have earned hundreds of thousands of dollars using this approach passively. But many people question me, is that even legal? Yes, it's completely legal, and it works in every country on the planet. This is by far one of the simplest methods of earning money online. And we had never considered it before on this channel. So it's new and exciting. Please pay attention to every detail in this video, because what you discover today has the potential to profoundly impact everything in your life. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. The first step will be to visit Amazon, which can be found at Amazon.com. You must be looking at all the stuff here and saying, oh no, I don't want to sell stuff. Well, you are not supposed to have inventory and you won't have to conduct drop shipping or anything else like that to earn money with this method. There's a simple Amazon strategy we never discussed before that will enable you to generate money absolutely passively without selling any of the things you're viewing. I simply wanted to show you that, according to SimilarWeb, Amazon is visited by over 3.7 billion people every month. Let that sink in. About 3 billion individuals from all over the globe visit Amazon.com to shop every month. That's a large group of people. And the majority of them, to be specific, 82% are from the United States, with the rest coming from Canada and the United Kingdom. But how will you earn money on Amazon if you don't sell any of these products? Let us just browse the Amazon and you'll get a variety of categories as a result. But all you have to do is to concentrate on the books, which you can do by clicking on Book section. Don't worry, you won't have to create a book, and this is quite easy. It doesn't matter if you've never done anything like this before, since everyone, regardless of age, can do it. And it doesn't matter where you are from, because this method works on almost all parts of the world. Just concentrate on what I'm about to tell you. If you go to Books and pick Kindle books, it will reveal that individuals are selling them and earning a fortune. But once again, don't worry, you don't have to be a writer to write these novels. However, there is a tool that will do it for you and that will generate money for you completely automatically. When you will see selling history of different booksellers, you will observe that they are getting huge sales. Suppose a guy received over 10,000 reviews. It's obvious that he received considerably more than 10,000 purchases, since clearly not everyone would provide comments or reviews on his book. Even if you are selling a book for $5 and you are able to sell 10,000 units, that is still a huge sum of money. Because this is an ebook and is not tangible, you don't have to transport it or anything. When buyers purchase it, they will be able to download it immediately. As a result, the inventory is limitless. You can sell a limitless number of ebooks and earn an unlimited amount of passive income. There are many genres of ebooks which you can sell on Amazon. So, the choices are limitless for you to select what type of book you want to sell. You can calculate how much money people are making by selling ebooks on Amazon, and you will find many success stories of the booksellers here. So far, the books we're looking at seem to have a lot of potential. This is something that a lot of individuals do. If you do a Google or YouTube search to discover people who are doing this, you'll find a lot of people reporting that they made an incredible fortune with their ebooks on Amazon because, as you know, Amazon is visited by about 3 billion people per month worldwide, and the majority of them are from the United States. Amazon has enormous potential, and there is a lot of space for you to make money by selling ebooks. If you are a good enough writer, you can write a book yourself, and if you don't know how to write and don't want to do it yourself, there is, however, a tool that will do everything for you. So don't be concerned about it, and this particular thing is known as ghostwriting. If you just Google what is a ghostwriter, you will get a detailed definition. Wikipedia will tell you that a ghostwriter is a person or a journalist who conducts journalistic works, speeches, or other materials that are officially ascribed to another person as the author, so you may hire one if it is within your budget. And I'll tell you how to do it precisely. By having your book ghostwritten, you may be portrayed as the author of the ebook and can sell that ebook on Amazon completely automatically, since all you have to do is publish it once. And I'll tell you how in less than 5 minutes it can be available on Amazon Kindle in perpetuity, and you will be receiving sales in the next few days, weeks, months, and years, and you can actually shut your laptop or turn off your computer and it will continue to sell, and you won't have to do any shipping because it's a digital ebook that people can immediately download, so there's no shipping involved. And if you're wondering that if it's really permitted, yes, that is unquestionably lawful. A ghostwriter is a person whose job it is to write a book or other written work, such as a blog post or business plan for someone else who has been labeled author. Ghostwriting is not prohibited. It is completely legal, and a lot of people are doing it. Now, how would you find a ghostwriter? Someone who will write your ebook for generating money absolutely passively on a semi-automated basis. Let's try if we can get the full ebook in less than an hour. First and foremost, you may choose the simplest option. And the next step is to visit freelancer.com. Simply go to Freelancer, a site where you may locate a large number of individuals for hire to perform any sort of job for you. And if you search for freelancers by expertise, you may also find a freelance writer. You may also look for ghostwriters. Now, Google will take you to a page where you can see that all of these individuals are willing to do that for you for a really low price. You can hire these people and they will build a complete ebook for you. You can tell the writer that what kind of book you want. With a little research on Amazon, you will find out what genre is attracting more audience. Another excellent alternative is to visit Fiverr.com. That's another freelancing website where you may hire an ebook writer to do it for you for a really low price. In certain circumstances, that will be as little as $30 to $40. However, you may receive a lot of money back since such ebooks can generate a lot of money on Amazon Kindle. As you can see in many instances, for an instance, if you are able to sell a book 1,000 in number at a price of $5 or $4.99, you will get $50,000 in income. And imagine you have paid someone $50 to do it for you. It's simply insane. Once it is done and delivered to you, now it is time to give it a cover. You will attract more buyers if the cover is catchier. So clearly, all of those ebooks on Amazon Kindle have a cover, and that's what's helping them sell effectively. So all you have to do is go to Canva.com. This is a completely free online tool with a variety of design templates. You can use the search box to look for ebook covers. So you may start creating an ebook cover using a template, and they will present you with a variety of templates there which you can use and customize. So let's assume you really like a cover, and it clearly corresponds to the title of your ebook. You can certainly edit it. Just double-click it and make changes as you see fit. You can now alter the background picture or add new colors, and you can personalize anything. So you may even look through photographs or a backdrop and discover anything that appeals to you. Let's assume I want to utilize a picture for whatever reason, so I'll simply place it in front, and it is going to look great. And boom, you can create a nice ebook cover. Of course, you may experiment with other designs and simply make what you like the most. This is going to be a lot of fun. So you're going to be creative for about 10 to 15 minutes on Canva.com. And after you've finished, simply click the download button and it'll be saved to your computer quickly so you can use it for free as your Amazon Kindle cover. All of this will take no more than 30 minutes of labor on your part, but it will undoubtedly pay off. They have a tremendous potential since it can genuinely earn you a lot of money completely automatically. Next, showcase it on Kindle for a lifetime selling. As a result, you will also have complete rights to sell that ebook under your own name. You may even put your name on the ebook as if you are the author. Now your ebook is ready with the help of a ghostwriter and free tools which are easily available on the internet. This is the simplest way to create an ebook, and you will be making a lot of fortune in the shortest possible time and can make your life much easier. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.